Hello, my name is Lady Gisela Meneses Trujillo. I am a student of Anthropology and Language with emphasis in English, English phonetic below. We will talk about the phonetic of consonants and vowels and diphthongs. We will pronounce and word according to age of the above and a tongue twister. Okay, let's start. Consonant and first consonant. This is example. Um, the word is think. This is the tongue twister. Okay, 33 TOEFL, TVs, TOEFL, they call through the things. Next consonant. This is the word is this. Dog twister. This thing give things that they should throw their things. Okay, and next consonant is this is a word berry. Dog twister. Victor's very vibrant violet, vividly vibrant in the bat's belly. Next consonant. This is a word red. Dog twister. Red rabbits, rapidly run round the rawhide rocks. Next consonant. This is a word she. Dog twister. And she swiftly says shiny shells be the shimmering short. Next consonant. This is a word mystery. The jazzy jug, juggly, jarring jars of jelly. Next consonant. This is a word chair. Dog twister. Charlie shows to shields the cheerful chipmunk to the charming chair. Next consonant. This is a word jump. Dog twister. Jumping, jolly jacks, joyfully, jolly, josie, jolly jars. Next consonant. This is a word sing. Dog twister. Singing song, the strong singer swing softly on the swing. Next consonant. Hat. Dog twister. Harry's happy hat hit in the knee hit head. Okay, let's start with vowels. First vowel is this is a word is C. Dog twister. I see three seals swimming swiftly in the sea. Next vowels. This is a word sit. Dog twister. It is easy to sit silently in the sunny seat. Next vowels. This is a word bed. Dog twister. Pen and bed bake bread in bed every evening. Next vowels. This is a word cat. Dog twister. A cat sat on a mat while the path lowered by. Next vowels. This is the word car. Dog twister. A car parked far away from the passer beat the bar. Next vowels. This is the word hot. Dog twister. one shoe on a blue shoe will you stood. Next, vowels. This is word cook. Tongue twister. Cook the puppy in your hand. Don't let it jump up. Next, vowel. This is word beard. Tongue twister. The beer heard and nerd was stirred the beer in the yard. Next, vowel. This is a word about. Tongue twister. About a big fat cat that sat on a mat. Okay, let's start deep tongues. First deep tongue. This is a word day. Tongue twister. Great day awaits and the gate don't be late. Next, deep tongues. This is a word my. Tongue twister. My fly is high in the sky on my. Next, deep tongue. This is a word boy. Tongue twister. The boy who cried joyfully enjoys these toys. Deep tongues. This is a word no. Tongue twister. Now the cow jumps over the mound wall. Next, deep tongues. This is a word go. Tongue twister. Go slow on the road to avoid the lawn. Next, deep tongue. And this is a word air. Tongue twister. I heard the dear nerd declare a stream. Next, deep tongue. This is word hair. Tongue twister. Hair in the hair can be scared for a beard. Next, deep tongue. This is a word sure. Tongue twister. I am sure the poor tour will endure the allure. Okay, we finished this presentation of phonetics.